Well, friends and family, once again, we wanted to say mahalo for hanging out with us down here at South Shore Market, down in Ward. You know, once again, if this is the first time you ever seen the three of us here, that's Ekolu, that's Grant, I'm Dane, the three of us, we're called Dane. Alex was here earlier. And next week, what I was told is Kakaʻako and good old Bobby Madero is going to be here. So come back, same time, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. I don't know if they're going to be just having their own time or they're just going to play for the both together.
And then they're going to play.
And then they're going to share some songs. And then, but once again, you know, we just want to say happy holidays to each and every single one of you. We want to end with this last little number. You know, for whatever reason you want to, or for whatever structure you want to celebrate this holiday season with, and whatever foundation you guys come from, one of the things that is meaningful to us is the fact that we are Hawaiian. And one of those beautiful things is that not only are we as a people grounded on aina, grounded on land, but we're also well grounded in the sea as well. And so we like to, oftentimes we like to end our sets with this little number, a song entitled Hukule, A Star of Gladness. A song that honors Mama Wa'a. A song that honors her voyages throughout the world and her voyages from non-existence to existence, all the way from the 70s all the way to today. And it's just Hukule, she's a symbol of cultural resurgence, cultural revitalization, as well as a lot of formal education. And so as she's led by aina, or the elements that surround us, whether it's the stars, the moon, the tides, so does the three of us. We also try to be led by our kupuna, our friends and our families, everybody that we like to celebrate all the festivities and the festival and the holidays with. And it's been a wonderful year for the three of us, and hopefully it's been a wonderful year for all of you as well. Hopefully 2026 is going to be just as good and just as fun. But as Hokulea goes and she travels, she always returns home, and that's the same thing like us. And so for the three of us, until we meet again next time, until the next time, whatever that may be, we do want to say mahalo, malama pono, happy holidays, mele kalikimaka, and we leave you with this. Aue hokulea, te wahine o ke kai, aue, aue, aue hokulea, te wahine o ke kai.
Raindrops they hamper my vision, coming down and cutting incision in my mind. Oh, I will sail away all time, blow my honey, shout jubilation, carry us down to our destination. Millions of stars in the sky, looking up they'll make us high. Hopefully away, away. Hopefully star of gladness. Lift your boat, your hope slides through the sea. I hope they are. Show us the way. Hopefully star of gladness. Stay beside me, be my friend. Make me smile every day. Hopefully away, away. Stay beside me, you're my friend. Make me smile every day. Your hope slides through the sea. I hope they all are we as we be. This we pray, kick flip, oh Lord, show us the way.
of gladness.
Well, once again, from the three of us, from Ekolu, from Grant, from Dane, we say mahalo mana mapono, mele kalikimaka. And until we meet again next time, we leave you with this. Happy Star. Happy Star. Mahalo, aloha.
We got it right where we want him, guys.